So Dan, this roof has a little bit of an interesting story and background to it. Tell me, what happened when you came out to this homeowner?
Yeah, so this homeowner gave me a call after talking to her neighbor after getting 3 other quotes, and she has a roof leak, and she just felt uncomfortable with those other quotes and didn't understand. And they were all telling her that she had to have a roof right now.
And unfortunately, that is semi-common in the roofing industry, especially to
Correct.
feel like pressured, which is that uncomfortable feeling that you were describing.
Yeah, one contractor was twice the cost of me, and they were demanding that she sign today.
Wow.
And that's, to me, is a huge red flag. What really ended up happening, yes, the roof is older and needs a little maintenance, probably need to start preparing. When I came out here to investigate, to inspect the roof, the leak was not actually the roof. It was this chimney that needed to be addressed.
So the 3 other contractors that came out here said that she needed to get her roof replaced and do it today, and that wasn't even the leak that she's experiencing.
They're not solving her problem.
Wow. Fast forward, it's been a little bit. What are you going to do today to get her roof to the place that she needs to be at?
Yeah, so today we're doing a roof tune-up. And what a roof tune-up is, I'm gonna come up here and we're gonna clean off the roof. We're gonna check for any little holes. We saw that missing shingle over there. We're gonna replace that today. My mechanical contractor is actually gonna come out here. He already just inspected the chimney and he's gonna put a little cap on it to stop the actual leak. So that's pretty much all we're doing, is just tuning up the roof. Our goal is to get her a couple more years so she's comfortable with the financial aspect of this roof, because it's super scary to be told one day that you have to spend 20 grand on a roof. That's not fun.